Why do some people jump out of bed at 5 a.m. like they've figured life out, while others hit snooze 17 times and feel guilty about it? Here's the twist. It's not about discipline. It's about something deeper happening in your brain. And the truth is, both types are more similar than you think. Here's the real secret. Waking up early isn't about the hour. It's about the win. Before the world wakes up, before the notifications, before anyone needs anything from you. You've already done something for yourself. Your brain gets a sense of control before the chaos begins. And that feeling? It's powerful. Now let's talk biology. Your body naturally releases cortisol just before waking. It's your internal alarm clock, the signal that says, time to get up. But here's the catch. Not everyone's clock is the same. Some people peak at 5 a.m., others at 8 or even 9. So if waking up early feels painful, you're not lazy. You might be fighting your own biology. But what about the 5 a.m. people? They're reclaiming time. In a world that pulls you in every direction, those quiet hours feel like stolen freedom. No noise, no interruptions, no pressure, just space. And that space, it's full of possibility. For many people, it becomes identity. I'm the kind of person who wakes up early. And your brain loves consistency. It wants to live up to the story you believe. There's also something deeper. Temporal agency. The feeling that you're ahead of the day, not chasing it. You're not reacting. You're leading. And that shift changes everything. But there's a shadow side. Not everyone wakes up early out of motivation. Some do it out of fear. Fear of falling behind. Fear of being lazy. And in that case, that 5 a.m. routine becomes an anxiety race. And that always leads to burnout. Because your brain needs rest just as much as structure. Waking up early without sleeping early isn't productivity. It's self-sabotage with good marketing. Morning people aren't better. They've simply aligned their routine. They've built a habit that says, my time matters. And that's the real power. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about intentionality. Whether your day starts at 5 or 9, the real question is, are you choosing your morning? Or is your morning choosing you? If this made you see your habits differently, drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more psychology that actually explains your mind. See you in the next one.